Bonjour. So today I want to share something a little special. Sometimes the lesson we learn about eating healthy comes from book or expert. They come from doctors, nutritionists. But the reality is that they come from experience, the kind that whispers at first and then speak louder when we ignore it. One of the hardest lessons most of us realize at some point is that your body keeps the score. You can rush, you can skip meal, you can grab whatever on the way, but eventually your body speaks to you with the harsh truth, the low energy, the foggy mind, the mood swing that feel like you came out of nowhere, allergies or weight gain or weight loss even for some. They are all not random. They are signals. And too often, we ignore them until we no longer can for the sake of our health and wellness. Another lesson to remember is that convenience isn't always your friend. What feels easy in the moment can slowly become a trap. You start choosing what quick instead of what kind. And one day you notice you're already always hungry, you're always craving, you're never satisfied, and then you just wonder why. Well, here's the truth. This is not because you're doing anything wrong, then again, but because you're living on autopilot. You lost your consciousness of your act of eating. And maybe the hard lesson of all of this, when you stop listening to your hunger stops speaking. You lose the sense of what your body needs. You lose the quiet cues that used to guide you. And rebuilding that relationship with yourself takes being present, takes patience, and takes self-care. And all of that takes time. This is not happening overnight. You have to retrain not only yourself, but your brain, your body, your intuition, everything. But I want you to see this. If you are having those issues, you're out of control, and you know it, and you've been told by a doctor you need to change your eating habits or your lifestyle. Those lessons aren't punishment. They just are an invitation to return to yourself, one choice at a time. A choice to return to a way of life that is much slower, much more aware. So start to listen first. And then you may be able to nourish your body that ultimately will carry you through every moment, every second of your life.